Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess on a computer. First, select a reputable online chess platform or application, such as chess.com or litchess.org. Next, you will need to create a free account, which usually takes less than 5 minutes. Once registered, familiarize yourself with the user interface, including how to move pieces and interact with the game board. Many platforms offer a quick tutorial to guide new players through their first few moves and basic controls. Online chess offers diverse game modes to suit your preference. You can choose from rapid games, typically lasting 10 to 30 minutes, or faster-paced blitz games, often 3 to 5 minutes per side. For a quick challenge, try bullet chess, where each player gets only 1 minute. You can also play against a computer AI, which usually has 20 or more difficulty levels, or test your skills against human players globally. Many platforms provide powerful tools to help you improve your game. After each match, review your moves with an engine analysis to pinpoint mistakes and missed opportunities. Engage with tactical puzzles, which are short, challenging positions designed to enhance your calculation and pattern recognition. Additionally, explore interactive lessons covering openings, middle games, and endgames, and study extensive opening databases to refine your strategy. Remember to always practice good sportsmanship. Be respectful and avoid rude behavior. Most platforms allow you to personalize your experience by choosing from dozens of board themes, various piece sets, and different sound effects. You can also delve deeper into the community by participating in online tournaments, which often have hundreds of participants, or by joining a chess club to connect with other enthusiasts and play team matches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.